Yo, what's going on guys? It's Zeus here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can simply and easily change your language in Roblox. With that being said, let's get right into the video. To start out, you're going to want to click the gear in the top right of your screen and select settings. After you've done that, under account info, you should be able to scroll down and see language under gender. Click on the language and then select whatever language you want. Roblox has over 200 languages as a game, so you should be able to find the language that you need. For the sake of this video, I'm going to change the language to Spanish. Boom, guys. The video is done. Alright, configuración. So that's settings in Spanish if you guys didn't know. That's it. That's all you really have to do to change the language in Roblox. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, be sure to drop a like and sub. Peace out, y'all.